You search for how to buy shares of RaySearch Laboratories AB publ. RaySearch develops radiotherapy treatment planning software and is listed on CBOE EU under the ticker RAYb.ST. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker RAYb.ST to locate the listing. Confirm you select RaySearch Laboratories AB publ from the search results. Open the asset page to read basic company information and inspect the price chart to confirm the listing. Verify the company description and ticker to ensure it is the correct stock. Click Investor Trade, choose the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may execute at the next market session, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to follow the same example.